Yeah, just doing a short video today because, as you know, with the tractor over here, we've got to wait for a specialist to come along and sort it out with getting the globe plugs out. Yeah, special machine and that, special tool. And we looked it up and it looks like it'd be easy to get someone else to do it. So this is going to be the second project anyway. It's just got a stout ute. So you can see, like, you know, it's just all tied in there with bloody cases and that, keep it all protected for the moment. But yeah, you'll see this one later on down the track. I'm just showing you for the moment because obviously you don't want to give you a video every week, and if we can't give you a video each week, well, it makes it pretty boring, doesn't it? So yeah, it's an old stout that's going to be done up. It's going to have all the backs on it. I haven't got the photo on me, but see if we can grab the photo. Yeah, just check out the ute for the minute. Oh, I've got to get the photo. Oh. Once it's in square. The gimbal's playing up for some reason. I don't know why it's not sitting square. It's sitting weird at the moment. It's like it's turned off or something. Anyway, let's have a look at the ute for the moment. Where's that photo? So like you see on the back of it, I don't know if you can see here. No, you see on the back and on the sides, it's going to sort of look, it's only a bit like this rat rod. You can see that with the sides and the, probably a different grill though, because it's hard to get hold of that grill. So we don't know if we're going to get hold of that grill or not. I think I might have to charge my gimbal because it's playing bloody silly bug or something shocking. She's skew whiffed. Why are you skew whiffed? Hello? Why are you skew whiffed? Is it on or off? Oh, that's on. There we go. Now I've got it on. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, you see from this, it's playing games. I think it might need charging. But yeah, you can see from this, it's going to look a bit like the hot rod. So it's going to have, obviously on the back, it's got a lot of rust work, a lot of work to do. It's sat in paddock for about 5 years. It's a good old girl though. It's got the 4-cylinder diesel. Yeah, everything, you know, it's not looking too bad. It can all be cleaned up, you know, it's all just surface bloody service crap. We started cleaning up this door because it was, yeah, pretty bad, but it's obviously starting to get a bit of a clean up on the door, clean up on the seals, and I can't quite open this door to show you because I don't think it's bolted up this one, is it? No, I don't think so. I better not touch it just in case not. But yeah, it's been set up on the side and started to get a bit of metal, and because you know underneath all this there's obviously been metal plates put in, like that's got to go in here and that, and obviously, you know, fill it up. But yeah, it's going to be a good little one. It's got the little 4-cylinder engine. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. It's just a little 4-cylinder, but it's all had stainless steel valves and stems and things put in it for a turbo. It's going to end up having a turbo on it, so it's a nice size turbo to go on. So anyway, yeah, that's going to be a second project. There'll be another series when we come to this one. We're trying to do all this a while ago, but with moving from here to there and this and that breaking, everything else under the sun happening, it didn't seem to happen. But yeah, now as you see now, we're going to guaranteed put at least some sort of video up each week. It was meant to be about the tractor, but unfortunately we got to get a bit of money together for the specialist. Cost a bit of money to move all the vehicles over, so yeah, so there's a Toyota Stout. Good old girl, carries a fair bit of weight, got a fair bit of pull. So yeah, I don't know. So the top's shouldn't matter anyway, but yeah, so the top's pretty good. It's mostly all service and that, so it can be cleaned up and taken down. And I don't know if I think I can open the door here. Nice interior. It's not too bad for its age. I think it's in the 70s somewhere, the age of this vehicle. So yeah, it's pretty basic, but this is a good vehicle. So anyway, yeah, so that's going to be a second project. So anyway, thanks for coming along and checking it out, and hopefully we should get back to episode number 2 of the series of Strike Man Rides Again. So until next time, take care.